Hey guys, we made it to Branson. We got to our condo. Hey, I'm sending this to Gigi and Pop Pop. So, hey! So we made it here. How much did you say this condo was, hon?
$70
$7 per night. But look at this.
And the lake is right
So
up
here,
here.
let's turn some. Well, we'll get a picture of that in the morning, guys. You can't.
See it.
Yeah. All right.
And we have
So there's the living room area.
And we also have some games.
Right. Oh, show them the games, Brendan. Cool.
And we have.
You know, there's a sliding door, or the sliders as they call them now, that go out. See the lake. There's a little eating area. Yep. There's the breakfast bar. We got a kitchen here. It's stocked with cutlery and cooking stuff. All your pots and pans. Coffee pot, toaster. They've got the filters in the cups, but no coffee grounds. So that's one thing that you need to bring if you want to do this. But yeah, a full kitchen. The boys are going to sleep right here on the pull-out. And there's a big chair over here that I'm probably going to lounge in later on.
And we got the kitchen right here.
Yep. And here's the bathroom. A pretty decent bathroom. Nice shower.
No tub.
Well, that's okay.
Look at
Closet with towels and extra blankets and everything.
Guys, look at this.
Yeah. And then it goes into the bedroom that Wendy and I are going to share. Here is kind of the walk-in closet with the laundry room. And they do provide like detergent. And then this is the bedroom that Wendy and I are going to stay in. TV, memory foam mattress. So, you know, for $76 a night, guys, this is better than any hotel. All right, have a good one.